I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact on piano. We'll cover everything from understanding the in-game instrument to mastering your favorite tunes. First, familiarize yourself with the virtual keyboard layout. Then, begin by practicing simple melodies to get a feel for the timing and note placement. Starting with easy songs will quickly build your confidence and skill. Let's dive in. The in-game lyre, or similar instruments, typically features a 2-octave range, allowing for a good variety of melodies. Each key on your screen or keyboard corresponds directly to a specific musical note. To play accurately, focus on precise timing and rhythm. Consistent practice will help you hit the notes correctly and create beautiful music within the game. It's all about muscle memory. Finding resources is key to learning. Many online communities offer simplified sheet music specifically for Genshin Impact songs, often adapted for the in-game instrument. Look for video tutorials that break down complex pieces into manageable sections. Begin with popular, easier tunes like the main theme or character themes to build your repertoire. There are countless free resources available. To truly excel, consistent practice is essential. Aim for at least 15 minutes daily. Don't be afraid to experiment with different arrangements of your favorite songs, adding your unique flair. Engaging with online communities can provide valuable feedback, new sheet music, and inspiration from other players. Keep exploring and enjoying the musical journey in Teyvat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.